Let's make sure I mention that when you glue this onto the hatch, that you leave the extension at the thin end, not the thick end, the thin end. Okay, so now we're going to make our little handle to open that. So we're going to go ahead and take another piece of the 1.7 mil, and you're going to make it just slightly about a ½ inch longer than the whole piece. And we're going to start at the back bottom. We're just going to iron that in. Okay, now to make our handle, we're going to iron halfway in, right there. They're going to roll this over like that and fold it over and iron this part down. Okay, roll that over, ironing and continuing to iron, back down to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to cut off right about halfway the excess and finish iron that out. Alright, now we're going to take this, put on the edge of the table. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just going to iron it to itself. Alright, now we got a nice little handle. Alright, so now you're going to take this, push this in place like that, and then what I like to do is use a little hot glue combination slash iron onto that and let that set. Okay, that way you can just pull here and you've got that. So now we're going to go ahead and take our hot glue and we're going to put in our little servo protectors and slash skids. Take that, just lay it right there. And you lay those right about even, maybe slightly back of that shield. Now we're going to do the one on the back. And these, you'll have extra material. So if these knock off, you just grab another piece of EPP and keep going. That way when you're landing, you're hitting these little skid marks instead of wearing out the bottom of your plane like I've been doing. So, okay. So we'll let that cool down. And then, now, we're going to take a small piece of the 1.7 mil. It'll be extra again. What we want to do is just wrap it and make a cone out of it. So I'm going to do something like that. Just overlap. I want to make it look nice. Something kind of like that. That'll make your nose come. The iron's got glue on it. There we go. Oh, that would explain something. Remember I told you guys? Shiny side up? Well, I didn't do that. So there you go. That explains that. That's why it was sticking in and everything. This isn't rocket science. It's just okay, now we're getting towards our hatch. Cut that off. Okay, so now we've got our hatch. It opens up. Push that in. So ultimately, when you get your cover back on, you can do like I usually do, and that's to take a piece of rubber band. Makes it easy to come right off. I just line this up where it needs to be. Put a rubber band in place right there, and we're good to fly. You just toss it up like that. Now that's your cone. Now if you guys want to finish the sides with the laminate, you're more than welcome to. This does a good job right there. I'm pretty pleased with that. I got my battery hatch. It opens up, and that's that. If you need the battery hatch, if it doesn't close itself closed, just move the rubber band forward. It goes right over that, and you're good to go. And the laminate can be used to be covering the wings. Like this one here I covered because I broke it here. So as you can see, the laminate covers it, and it makes this extra strong. And it doesn't add much weight at all to the plane. So that's it, guys. Go out there and have some fun with these EPP nose Habus and enjoy them because they will fly great. So, and I'll try to get some video today if I can. Just take this battery. Oh, and by the way, if you have your batteries a little loose when you plug this in and you close it back up, if there's movement in there, nope, no movement. But if there were movement in there, you just put a little piece of napkin or Kleenex just to